The latest generation of Epson printers are able to inhibit the accurate emulation of status monitor function for third-party cartridges. Now this means that you shouldn't trust your status monitor when using refill cartridges on your computer and also on your front panel display. You should check your cartridge ink levels visually every week, and more often if you use your printer daily. Now let me show you the best way to top up your inks. Now this way, these are your refill cartridges, and let's show you on, let's say, the yellow. So we've used this for a few days. We take out the yellow cartridge, and let's show you quite close, and as you can see, it's about 2/3 full. Now the full amount is approximately 20 mil, just over 20 mil, so we need around, let's say, something around 10 mil to top up. So we've taken the cartridge out, we now click the cartridge back in, that's done the resetting, and all we now have to do is take out the little filler bung. We get a syringe. Now we know we're going to use about 10 mil of ink, so we simply put it into the cartridge and we draw out about 10 mil of ink. Ever so easy, about 10 mil. Now from now on in, we don't have to take the cartridge out anymore. We just gently, let's show you, let's get my hand out of the way so you can see. Now we're going to slowly top up the cartridge, but I'm looking in that little hole there, and I'm going to take my time, nice and slow, and I'm looking down that hole just to see if I can notice the ink starting to rise up. It's starting to rise up. I can see it now, and here I can see the top of the yellow just starting to arrive. And now I'm going to overfill it. I've actually overfilled it so I can see a little bit of yellow there, but I'm quite happy at that. I'm going to take my syringe out. I don't waste a drop of ink, so I put it back in the bottle. My top up syringe I'm going to clean out with fresh tap water, and I'm going to keep cleaning it until it all runs clear. I like to take that needle out, clean that, and I like to clean the actual syringe. Then I can put it back in the tub provided. I make sure I put my top back on the bottle, securely screw it back in the bottle, and again I put my ink back in the tub provided. And then last of all, I just dab the top, put my little top up tab back in, and I've topped up my yellow. I do the same for my Vivid Light Magenta. Take it out, look at the height there. Now that's about half, so I would say about 10 mil to top that one up, and so on. So I'd take one out, put it in, top it up, take the next one out, look at it, put it back, top it up, until I go all the way through. Once you're happy, you then put the lid down and the main lid down,